Delhi Public Global School Moradabad celebrated Labour Day with great enthusiasm, respect, and a deep sense of gratitude. The occasion was marked by a special assembly where students and teachers came together to honor the dedication and hard work of the support staff who play a vital role in the day-to-day functioning of the school. The highlight of the celebration was the warm and heartfelt appreciation shown by our students. They expressed their gratitude by presenting small gifts, cards, and tokens of love to the workers, including housekeeping staff, security personnel, gardeners, and maintenance teams. Their gestures reflected the values of kindness, empathy, and social responsibility that the school strives to nurture in every student. Such events serve as important reminders of the dignity of labor and help students understand the value of every individual's contribution to society. Kudos to Delhi Public Global School Moradabad for fostering a culture of appreciation, respect, and humanity. Together, we build a more compassionate world.